my 30-year-old knees are, let's just say I feel 30. I think the game plan for today is to do the hike to Hidden Lake. We're gonna pack up this morning because we gotta go to our next campsite over in the east side of the park. But yeah, this is just day 2.
In our time in Glacier, the best wildlife spottings were around the visitor center. These little guys were posted up just a couple hundred yards from the visitor center. Well, it wasn't a grizzly, but it was our first bear spotting. Excuse me.
No grizzly, just a friendly brown bear trying to take an afternoon swim and find a light snack. Perhaps a small child at the beach.
We then headed to the east side of Glacier to take in the views from the other side of the park.
Feel it now every time I leave. It hits me hard and it cuts me deep. I'm 1,000 miles from happiness, 1,000 miles from you.
What are we doing this morning?
Grinnell Glacier hike.
How you feeling?
I'm a little sore from our hike 2 days ago. I feel better. We had a rest day, but I'll be glad when the uphill's done.
Hey, got a cool view this morning.
It's so pretty.
Over there.
You stretched?
No, I'll stretch. I don't know if my stretching does any good. One day. You just wait. You just wait, Toes. I'm coming for you. So if we're walking along and we see a grizzly, you're just gonna...
Yeah, that'll be very, very helpful, hopefully. Unreal. Where are we?
Hiking at sunrise to Grinnell Glacier turned out to be one of the most serene experiences. Chilly morning air, still lakes, and all the nature sounds.
It might get worse.
Sure. Did he just kill it?
You think he killed it? Oh, hi.
I don't know if he killed it.
What do they eat? A squirrel and a dead squirrel.
It's in the
Not really sure what we just saw. It looked like a marmot or something that killed a squirrel. I don't know if he was gonna eat it. Do marmots eat squirrels?
I don't know.
Are they carnivorous?
I thought they would just be herbivores. But I don't know.
Well, watch out, people.
You can nibble your toe off.
Apparently, yeah,
you
if a
down.
marmot comes after you, it'll eat you.
All the best things that I've seen, and all the most wonderful views, all the best sights that I see with you. All the best nights I never slept, all the days I'm holding on to, all the best times that I've had with you.
Yeah, that's cold. I think I'm going in. This is the Andrew Huberman Ice Plunge Challenge.
Yep.
That was a little cold. Andrew Huberman, if this is what you mean by cold water showers, this is cruel. Cruel and unusual. I do feel alive though. My toes are red.
Your toes are red.
All right, Amanda, you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, you're pregnant.
Yeah.
That's your excuse, you're pregnant?
Yeah,
Oh.
I love being cold otherwise.
Where's this rank in hikes for you?
Maybe my top 3. I think Half Dome, Angel's Landing, and then this one is really cool. And I think it's partially too what the hike is like on the way up. And the hike on the way up was really nice. You could see lakes, it was beautiful, some waterfalls, it was pretty.
All the best streets I drove down, all the towns I've wandered through, all the best ones are all better than you.
They were mating right on the trail, and you could see
No
it
way.
from the boat launch, just plain as day. It was like perfect viewing. Yeah.
That's wild.
That is
Were they
fun.
black bears or?
Grizzlies.
Oh, it was grizzlies.
Really?
I guess mostly around here is grizzlies.
Half and half.
Half and half.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yes, you heard right. We missed a grizzly spotting. Apparently, they were spotted on the trail we hiked an hour after we left. Amanda wasn't too upset, but I was.
In Montana, in Montana.
The rest of the day, we chilled out around the Glacier Park Lodge.
I was on my own now, first time since 22, with no idea what to do. Gather all my thoughts now, pretty sure I'll make it through. Another day, another you. And so I held on to that rock.
Next destination, Bozeman.
It's been a long.
Should we bear spray a chipmunk right now? Come here, Mr. Chipmunk.
Come here, buddy.